Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to sell ebooks using your Shopify store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized shop that's ready to showcase your ebooks, make them appealing to buyers, and start making those online sales. Whether this is your first time using Shopify or you've been experimenting with it for a while, this guide has you covered step by step. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to head straight to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Online Store section in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click it. This is really your launchpad. Everything you do here shapes how your shop looks and feels to your visitors. Take a second here to get familiar with this area because you'll be coming back to it a lot as you build your digital storefront. Now, scroll or hover your mouse down beneath the main online store options until you spot something called Design Your Store in Seconds. I know it sounds almost too easy, but yes, Shopify has made this next part surprisingly quick if you use this feature. Here's where you get a little creative. You'll see a prompt box. In this box, you're going to type in a description of the theme or vibe you want for your ebook store. Maybe you want a sleek, minimalist look that makes your ebooks pop, or maybe you want a cozy bookshop feel, whatever plays to your brand and your audience. For example, you might type, modern clean layout for digital sci-fi ebooks, or warm, inviting theme for motivational self-help ebooks. This prompt helps Shopify's AI understand your vision. Once you've typed your prompt and you're confident it describes the tone and style you want, just click Generate Themes. This is where the magic starts. Shopify will whip up a handful of theme suggestions that fit the mood you described. Don't rush here. Take a close look at each theme previewed. Try to picture your own ebook covers and descriptions sitting inside these designs and think about which one will make your ebooks look their best. It's a bit like picking the perfect frame for a painting. You want something that complements but doesn't distract. When you've found one that really catches your eye and seems just right for your audience, click Add or Try Theme. Shopify will let you test drive how your new theme looks in your store first. Super helpful if you're not 100% sure you've got the perfect fit. If it looks good, go ahead and click Publish. This locks in your new store design so your visitors will see it live. But don't stop here. Now comes the fun part where you get to make this theme truly yours. Click Customize. Inside this editor, the possibilities really open up. Now you can swap in your own images. Maybe use your ebook covers as backgrounds or banners. Adjust the fonts until they match your brand's personality. Play with the color scheme. For example, you might want calming blues for a meditation ebook, or bold reds for an action-packed thriller. Don't be afraid to add new sections, maybe a glowing review carousel, or a featured author spotlight. It's all about drawing in your visitors and making browsing your ebooks feel exciting and easy. And of course, this is where you add your products, your ebooks. Upload your ebook files and enter their details, set the price, write an enticing description, and make sure your customers know exactly what they're getting. If you hit any confusing options here, don't worry. Shopify provides great tooltips, and you can always experiment a bit. Nothing's set in stone until you hit save. That's it. You now have a beautifully themed Shopify store ready to sell your ebooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you have any questions or want more tips about selling digital products, just drop a comment below. I love helping out. Make sure to subscribe for more clear and friendly tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.